In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add thumbnail in Behance. A strong thumbnail or cover image is the first impression your project makes in galleries and searches. So getting it right can dramatically improve clicks and engagement. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside Behance and share useful tips along the way, so you feel confident from start to finish. Begin by opening Behance in your browser and signing into your account. From here, you can start a brand new project or open an existing one. If you are creating something new, proceed with your usual setup. If you are updating a project you already have, open it and click the Edit button to enter the project editor. Next, head to the area where you can adjust the project settings. Depending on what screen you are on, you'll either see a green Continue button that takes you forward or a Settings option on the right side. Both routes lead to the same place where you can manage details like your cover image. Look for Edit Cover Image and select it. This is where you set the thumbnail that appears on your profile. In search results and across the Behance feed. Think of this as your project's poster, clear, eye-catching, and representative of the work inside. You now have two choices. You can select an image that already exists within your project, or you can click the plus button to upload a new file from your device. Choose a high-quality image with strong contrast and a focal point that reads well at small sizes. Avoid cluttered compositions or text that's too tiny to read in a grid. Once your image is loaded, use the slider to resize and position it within the frame. Aim to keep important elements away from the very edges, so they don't risk being cropped on different displays. Center or intentionally offset the subject for balance, and watch how the composition feels when scaled down. If your design uses text, ensure it remains legible and has enough padding around it. When you are happy with the framing, click Crop and continue to confirm. To make your changes live, click Save, then choose Update or Publish. Depending on whether this is an edit or a brand new project, saving ensures your progress isn't lost, while publishing or updating pushes the new thumbnail to your public project immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching.